Good morning. It's been a while. Hi. I'm excited to share with you what I've been, it's heavy, what I've been getting into lately. So, yeah, if you're new here, I do all things lifestyle, beauty, faith, and just living my little life. But I also have a new channel, guys. I started it, and I want you guys to follow it. Hold on. Oh yeah, I don't have no videos. But yes, you're gonna type in Planted Truths. That's my new YouTube channel name. Planted Truth. I'm gonna be doing gardening over there. So y'all definitely check that out. Of course it wouldn't be a good video if I didn't do a get ready with me, but we're not doing that today because I don't feel like getting ready. It's Friday. Good Friday. So yeah, I'm gonna open my box. And yeah, hold on, let me open my box so y'all can see me. Looking at my address. You know what I purchased. Some of you already know. The ones that do. Oh! Let me turn it around. It's my garden beds by Snug Nutrite Nature. I butchered that up. This is how they're gonna look. And I got the color green. I'm so excited. It's gonna take me forever to put these together, but you know me, I'm the queen of putting stuff together. So in this box you get some gloves, which I'm probably gonna wear to, I might wear. And then you got the things that go in the to kind of hold the garden bed together. You get the rubber lining that goes around the beds, nuts and bolts. Need these, and you get the actual beds. I'm so excited. This may not take me that long. We're gonna see. I hope not. So yeah, let's get the party started.
He left and I felt like I wasn't good enough for the world since I am. Yes. That's good, Kitty. That's good. We are always have been told that we are this emotional being. And so because of that, we hold on to our emotions and we think that we have a right to it. I think it first comes with acceptance. It comes with acceptance. Nobody's exempt from anything. They used to say you can't get through if you can't go through. So we're holding off on these things, and it's affecting everybody that's around us. It's affecting us because we're not doing the inside work. Yes. The time, and it's definitely correlation with your mind and your emotions, because like you said, we're reacting off emotions and what's here, what we think, the assumptions, without what's being real. Yeah. When I counsel, I have to be real. Yeah. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.
Oh my God, it took me like an hour. We got one garden bed. Oh, it's so cute and green. Girl, this took me so long. But I think it's the perfect size because I didn't want to get one that was like super deep because as you know, when the sale goes off for the soil, it's going to be expensive because I think Lowe's has them for 5 for $10. So I think this probably would need, baby, this might need 5 bags. I'm thinking maybe at least 2 bags because, you know, I'm going to do the soil, the compost, the manure, the perlite, and all of that. And so I'm going to mix it. So I feel like this one bed, so like 8 bags. But yes, I love it. Okay, so I'm going to do the next one. And then the next video, y'all, I'm probably just going to stop what I'm doing today. And I'm going to pick up tomorrow when I'm outside. Okay? Okay. I finally finished the garden beds. This is what they're looking like. Oh my God, they're so cute. Y'all, it took me literally like 2 hours. Like I kept running into problems with the screws, but nevertheless, here they are. I can't wait to show y'all when I put them outside.